Hello everyone, my name is Nori, and in today's video, I will be guiding you through a meditation designed to bring you into balance. Not only internally, but this meditation will allow you to connect with the elements of nature that permeates life everywhere. Are you ready? Let's begin. So in this meditation, you can choose to be seated on the floor. You can have a cushion underneath your bottom, or you can also sit on a chair. Do whatever you need to do to feel comfortable. And then from here, you can place your hands face down on your knees, or flip your palms face up, and then bring your index finger and thumb to touch for Gyan Mudra. This is the mudra for wisdom. Choose your option here. Close the eyes or softly gaze at the floor. And then from here you can begin to observe your breath. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. And here we are observing our breath without any judgment. Just see where you are right now at this very moment. And if you notice that your breath is coming into your chest area and you feel a lift at your shoulders when you inhale, try to focus your breath in towards the belly area, inhaling as you expand the belly, and as you exhale, bringing the navel in towards the spine. This diaphragmic breathing, also known as long, deep breathing, is how we breathe naturally when we're a baby. This is a place where you can come back to your natural state of being. Wonderful. And we'll add on now, beginning our meditation. You are probably familiar with this. This is known as 4x4 breath or square breathing, where we inhale for a count of 4, hold the breath for another count of 4, and then exhale out the mouth for another count of 4, and finally suspending the breath out of the lungs for a count of 4. Now, what makes this meditation a little bit different is that instead of counting to 4, we will chant the 4 elements in order to keep count. So inhaling earth, air, fire, water, holding the breath, earth, air, fire, water, exhale, earth, air, fire, water, holding the breath out of the lungs, earth, air, fire, water. Let's begin now all together, inhaling earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water, exhale out the mouth, earth, air, fire, water, suspend the breath, earth, air, fire, water. Continue, inhale, earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water, exhale, earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water. Inhale, earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water. Exhale, earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water. Inhale, earth, air, fire, water, hold, earth, air, fire, water. Exhale, earth, exhale, earth, air, fire, water. Hold, earth, air, fire, water. Inhale, earth, air, fire, water. Hold, earth, air, fire, water. Exhale, earth, air, fire, water. Hold, earth, air, fire, water. Final round. Inhale, earth, air, fire, water. Hold, earth, air, fire, water. Exhale, earth, air, fire, water. Hold, earth, air, fire, water. And now come back to your regular breathing. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Come back to your state of observance. How are you feeling right now compared to the beginning of today's practice? Now bringing your palms together at the center of your chest. And we'll close our practice with a single Om. Take a deep inhale breath. Om. The sound of Om is the sound of universal consciousness, the sound of Source. Bring your thumbs to the third eye, and then slowly lower your hand and your forehead down to the ground to seal off the energy to ground back into the earth. Thank you everyone for tuning in. So today's meditation is great if you are somebody who is looking to connect with nature, the elements of earth, air, fire, and water. We are not only utilizing our own inner strength, but we are also becoming one with the world around us. And how much more power, how much more energy is that if we are able to connect with the nature, the elements around us. So thank you again for tuning in. My name is Nori, and if you like this video, please follow my channel. You can hit that subscribe button and you'll get a lot more different types of meditation practices designed to master your mind and to also master your manifestations. And until next time, I will see you all again very soon.